tell us a little bit about WAUSM's accreditation and just kind of where we are? Before I talk about WAUSM specifically, I'll just talk about accreditation in general. So accreditation for medical schools is typically a three-step process. So if you're in the U.S., there are 3 stages to accreditation. There's through the LCB. So there's preliminary, which means you can start a class. Provisional, which happens about the time your charter class goes to clerkships. And then full, which happens after you graduate first class. So that is the typical timeline. That is the timeline for us. We are accredited by CAMH. Well, our accreditor is CAMHP. So that's the Caribbean Accreditation Authority for Medicine and Health Professions, which sometimes have to look up. So a CAMHP is a great organization. They also have a 3-step process. So you need candidacy status before you can bring in your first class, which we obviously already have because we've started our first class. The next stage is provisional accreditation, which we've applied. We submitted our application for provisional, and now we're just waiting. In fact, we had a site visit in November, so we're anxiously awaiting the results of that. And then the next step for us after provisional would be full. Now, one of the things I'd like to say is sometimes students go, well, golly, does that mean if I graduate from a school that has provisional accreditation, does that mean it's not full accreditation? And the answer is no. As long as you have the word accreditation on there, then you're graduating. So you don't need to worry about that.